Hello, this is Raymond Shrestha and you're watching Irish World. Today I'm back with a new problem, a problem about sequence and storage. And the problem is 150 workers are engaged to finish a piece of work in a certain number of days. 4 workers stopped working on the second day, 4 more workers stopped their work on the third day, and so on. It took 8 more days to finish the work. Then the number of days in which the work was completed is. Now we shall have to find out the number of days in which those decreasing number of workers completed the work. For that, let us suppose the number of days as n. N is equals to, let me tell, number of days taken by decreasing workers. And let us know the pattern also. How many workers are here? How many workers are decreasing in what pattern? At first, we have got 150 workers at the beginning. After that, 4 workers start working on the second day, so it will be 146. Then 4 more workers stop their work, it will be 142. And on the third day, then so on, it went on. We don't know up to what. Where did it stop? We don't know that. So for them, it took 8 more days to finish the work. We'll come up with the sentence at the last. So let us solve this now. Let us find out the sum of these numbers. So Sn equals to n by 2. Yeah, the first term is 150 into 2, 2a plus n minus 1 dh minus 4. As the number is decreasing, the difference will be minus 4. So n by 2, 150 to 300 minus 4n plus 4 is equals to n by 2, 304 minus 4n. So if you write down like this, then divide 2 to these two numbers, it will be n. 304 divided by 2, it will be equal to what? 152 minus, you will be equal to twice n. So we have got this number. Now if the number of workers when are decreasing, then when will they complete? They would have taken, if this is the number of days, so they would have taken, let me write case II. This is case I. So if workers won't stop working, then the work would have been completed at 150 and minus 8. They will have taken 8 less days compared to that of this. So we have got the year, and we have written n because how many numbers will be there, at which rate they will decrease. We will find out that by n. If we have got here number of turns to be about 7, then about 20, then it is sure that they will complete that work in 20 days. We should have to let the number of terms here by n, that is number of days. We'll know that. Let us suppose we have got 150, 146, 142. They will go like this: 138, 136, 132, 130, 128, 124. So they will go on decreasing like this, and it is sure that one day they will complete the work. But which is the day? That is the number of terms. The number of terms is the number of days in which they complete the work. Right? So we'll let that by n. Now if we have got the number of days of this decreasing workers, then we'll have got the number of days of the constant worker also, that is the which are not changing, that is 150. They will take 8 less days. We have written here it took 8 more days to finish the work. So we shall have to subtract by 8. Right? They will take the less days. If we have got the same number of people, number of workers won't increase. So we'll subtract here. So now we have got here. Now let us equate this. What should we equate then? As you know that the work is the same. This will have to complete the same type of work. So we shall have to equate this. This is the work to be done. So here n 152 minus twice n is equals to 150 n minus 8. So if we do this, then we'll get the following equation. So now what we'll have to do is that we shall have to make it into equation as a quadratic equation. 150n minus 2n square is equals to 150n minus 150 into 8. It will be something like what? It will be at 1200. Now let us solve this then. We have got here. Let me take it the right hand side, because if we have got this square form in positive one, then it will be easy for us to solve. We have got 2n square plus 150 minus 152n minus 1200 equals to 0. So here 2n square minus 2n minus 1200 equals to 0 here. So or let us divide all the numbers by 2, dividing both sides by 2. N square minus n minus 600 is equals to 0. Now we have to find out a number in which when we multiply it, it will become minus 600, and when we subtract or do the sum addition or subtraction, it will be equal to 6, it will equal to 1. So we'll have to find out the number, or you can solve it directly like this also by using the formula b square minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2ac. So if you solve this, then you will get the value equal to, let me write down the, it will become minus 24 and 25, and this will not write down the value as minus 24 because number of days can never be in negative form. So the answer will be 25 days. Hence, those decreasing number of workers will take 25 days to finish the work. So here the solution. And if you like the problem, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tell it among your friend also, so that your friend will know about this problem and they will also feel easier to solve this type of sequential series problem. And this is very important from JEE questions. I have taken this from JEE, so you can share it among your friends, and this can be useful for the +2 peoples in Nepal, especially in Nepal, and for the class 10, that is secondary level students also too. So thank you, that's all.